So you're in business, you've got your business up and running, you have a bank account, hopefully that's in the name of your business, you're incurring expenses, you're making some money, and so you've got deposits. And now the next step, probably the most important step, is that you begin to have an effective system of keeping records. The law requires that you need to provide the proof, if you will, that you've incurred expenses, that you are tracking your income. And once you've provided that proof, then if someone else, the IRS or a state, has a question about whether or not it's accurate, they have the burden of proof. But it starts with you. Records are your friend. Those records need to be both contemporaneous and accurate. Contemporaneous just means that when you spent the money or when you received the money, that's when you record it in your records as well. And so we refer to this as bookkeeping. Now, you can hire an accountant or a CPA to do it. You can do it yourself with software. You can hire a bookkeeper to do it. But what you need to make sure is occurring is that the date, the amount, a description of the transaction, all are recorded at the time that it occurs. That's the ideal. And if you have software that you do it, or someone you have hired to do it is recording in, then you can easily pull together at the end of the year the information you'd need, usually in a profit and loss statement or something along those lines, and a balance sheet or a ledger of assets and liabilities that will show you where you are. Now, a side benefit of this is that you'll also be able to, on real time, know where your business is. You can see the income and the expenses and whether or not you're profitable or where you need to make adjustments. But from a tax standpoint, you absolutely need to have records. And so bookkeeping is very important. In your particular situation, if you have questions about what's going to make the most sense or how to approach it, don't hesitate to contact us. We can usually point you in a direction to get the help that you need or the software that you need and help you to understand exactly what pieces you'll need for your business and how to approach it. Look forward to talking to you about it. But again, remember, records are your friend. They will always be used to your benefit when it comes to the tax world. Thanks.